Hi dears, welcome back to our channel. How are you? I hope you all are good. Today I came with an artificial intelligence related video. Yes, Dubai government is providing a free course for getting a free certificate related to artificial intelligence. Did this AI replace teacher? As a teacher, like we are not just answering the questions. We are making the students motivated, inspiring more. So teachers should train with AI. They are introducing different kinds of AI tools, especially DALI and Suno.ai. These are very useful, I think, because most of the time I use this Copilot as well as ChatGPT. In that itself, ChatGPT is my best friend ever. I have done a video also related to that one. Yes, so this video will be definitely going to be beneficial for you. You can also achieve a free certificate of AI training from Dubai government. So how to do this? We can check it out. And especially the new teachers, freshers in UAE, they just go through this courses, do this course and get more aware, and it's an extra certificate for you. Get into the video.
There's 1 million prompters. This is the keyword that you have to give in the Google. Okay, 1 million prompters. Press it. So the first one, it is coming dub.ai. 1 million prompters dubai.ae. So here you have to click and you will get into this site. Can you see 1 million prompters, course summary, content overview, learning outcomes, and there is an option for login. Click on the login button. So email ID and password we have to give here. So I'm providing my email ID and password over here to login. Or if you want to create an account, click on create account, because of course you will be new for this, but I already registered here before, so I can log in for later use. Okay, so as a first user you have to click on register button. Register. Okay, first name, last name, email address, phone number, password, confirm password, nationality, date of birth, select the country of residence. If you are from India, you have to say click on India. Then city, even from India it is possible. Okay, organization, job title, you can give any of the organization's name that you are working currently, uh, and prompting experience and gender, this much. Then click on this box, I read and accept DFF online courses terms and conditions. Then click on registration. Okay, register button. So I get into this one. Say after registration you will get a mail in the email ID. You have to click on that, then only you will redirect to this site. Okay, so you can see my name over here, Aisha Shamnas, and uh, this is the site. So I saved my password for the future use. So this is my module, unleashing the power of AI. This is what I'm just going to do. So click on continue. Before that, let me read this one. Unleashing the power of AI. Master the basic AI, generative AI, and prompt literacy for tomorrow's world. Module 1, duration 41 minutes, lesson 19. So you have to click on the continue button now, and you will get different videos over here. After finishing each video, you have to go to the next step. You can see course introduction, course structure outline, then important note, continuous learning. Then when it is going, after finishing this much, again they are giving another options. So 19 videos will be there. uh, Videos or recordings are there. Yes, 4 modules of this courses I have completed and attended the quiz separately. At the end I got a final assessment. See, this is the final assessment, I have done that. Then if you are finding with some of the difficult questions, you can even check in ChatGPT, so you will get the correct answer. Until you're not getting the required number of answers, you won't pass the examination. Okay, so the last part is conclusion. See, I'm just going through the last part. See, 75% now. After finishing this one, you can see certificate is giving down. 75% it is already completed. Let's see it is getting or not.
Congratulations.
So this is just giving a congratulation kind of like a small video. So we learned about a lot of courses in that. It is definitely helpful for us because different kinds of AI are introduced over here. Like that, I completed all the course 100% now. Certificate is ready. Get certificate. I'm clicking over there. So I got the certificate here. So 1 million prompters certificate of completion. This certificate proudly presented to Aisha Shamnas. My name, everything is there. Download your certificate option is coming down. So I'm clicking on it. So it is already downloaded as a PDF. Okay, and you can see here this certificate proudly presented to Aisha Shamnas for successfully completing the 1 million prompters initiative launched by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai. This initiative aims to train and empower 1 million prompters, focusing on developing skills in prompt engineering for AI systems. In alignment with the Dubai Universal Blueprint for Artificial Intelligence, this achievement contributes to building a future-ready workforce. So, Dubai Center for Artificial Intelligence, Dubai Future Foundation. It is sealed by Dubai Future Foundation itself. Okay, this is a certificate. So you will also get the same one.
Hello guys. So how many of you done this course? So with me you can do that. It is barely taking like 3 hours most probably, like if you are going with the courses and attending the quizzes. Yeah, definitely it will take a little bit time, but it is surely beneficial. You just try to do. If you're getting a certificate, please do comment below and share with others. So after seeing your messages in the comment box, others also will feel inspired to get this certificate and share it in your LinkedIn post. Okay, so this is our short video today. So you may like, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Bye bye. All the very best to all of you. Get motivated by yourself.